The reports introduced in Allplan version 2011 for the evaluation of model data have been enhanced in Allplan 2012. The focus in this latest version is on the optimization of functional performance, interaction with model data, and dynamic adaptation of the reports. First, the room data sheet appears in the familiar visual format. The report viewer is placed on the left edge of the screen, while the Allplan plan window is still visible on the right. The functions for control and navigation in the report viewer are familiar from version 2011. In your daily work, incorrect attributes and parameters are often not noticed until it comes to the evaluation. In order to make these elements easier to handle, you can now identify them in the Allplan report. To do this, they are marked in red in the Allplan plan window, and the section displayed is centered on the current selection. With the Control button pressed, as is usual with Windows programs, several elements can be selected simultaneously. The elements also remain selected after the report viewer has been closed. In the next example, you can see the new interaction possibilities provided by reports. To illustrate this, the report for tiling work has been selected. In the palette, from the 2012 version and onwards, you can filter with a large number of reports. In this report, a filter is included for the material as well as for the evaluated objects. This allows you to reduce the number of evaluated elements easily. In our example, only the wall tiles and vertical surfaces have been evaluated. As you can see from the file structure, in Allplan 2012, all the report presentations are obtained from the architecture family, as too are the reports which serve to determine the quantities for tenders. For the sake of an easier overview, all the elements of the same kind have been grouped together. The Details checkbox also allows the evaluated elements to be listed individually. The quantities are transferred to the tendering program as an XCA file. Of course, you can still use the building lists to export the data directly, which means without using the check view in the report viewer. New reports, such as the Room Groups Exposé, complete the range of Allplan reports. This report evaluates the individual areas and rooms by room groups. This is suitable for large construction projects as well as for buildings of varying uses. The reports available for evaluating model data in Allplan 2012 replace the entire function scope of the familiar lists in the architecture family. In addition, new reports such as the Room Groups Exposé have been added. What's more, ease of use has been improved in many respects with regard to model interaction and data filtering.